There's just so much to sort through.
Where do I even begin?
Every day, there are well-meaning people who are devoted to their family's future, but they find themselves overwhelmed, even frozen by the mountain of estate planning documents cluttering their desk. When you simplify your estate plan and streamline your finances, you can help your loved ones avoid stress, confusion, and conflict during an emotionally challenging time. Simple means avoiding complications by keeping your will, trust, powers of attorney, advance directive, and other important legal documents up to date. Using beneficiary designations is a simple way to keep assets out of probate, like life insurance proceeds and your retirement nest egg. And you can simplify your finances by merging accounts, canceling unused ones, and maintaining an updated master directory of your assets. At Legacy Plan, we help you make estate planning simple. Our comprehensive solutions keep your estate plan robust and dynamic so you can find peace of mind. Call us today at 844-445-3422.